You avoid the mirror. You hide behind oversized shirts. Those stubborn love handles just won't go away, no matter how many crunches you do. Here's the hard truth. You can't spot reduce fat. But what you can do is activate the exact muscles under the fat, speed up metabolism, and sculpt a waistline you'll be proud of. In this video, I'll show you 6 powerful exercises that are changing bodies in less than 30 days. No equipment needed, just your commitment. Welcome to my channel, where we give you real, practical health advice that works. If you're ready to take your body back starting today, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. 1. Russian twists. Let's start with one of the most effective core sculptors. Sit on the floor, feet slightly off the ground, and twist your torso side to side. This motion directly targets your obliques, the muscle group hiding under those love handles. Start slow. Twist deep. Let your core do the work. Add a water bottle or a small dumbbell for added resistance. 2. Side plank hip dips. This isn't just a core exercise, it's a balance builder and fat burner. From a side plank position, lower your hip to the ground and lift back up. You'll feel the tension build in your side abs. That's the exact area where the fat clings, and now you're firing up the muscle underneath. Controlled motion is more powerful than speed. 3. Bicycle crunches. No gym has a machine that activates more core muscle at once than this. Lie on your back, elbows wide, and pedal your legs in the air while bringing your opposite elbow to knee. This twisting motion torches calories, targets the side waist, and improves muscle definition fast. Pause at each twist for an extra burn. For mountain climbers, this is cardio plus core in one move. Get into a push-up position, then rapidly drive your knees toward your chest. Your heart rate goes up, fat starts to melt, and your waistline tightens. Engage your abs throughout to avoid using just legs. 5. Standing side crunches. A great no-mat move. Stand tall, lift one knee sideways while bringing the same side elbow down to meet it. This move builds control, burns fat, and improves symmetry in your waistline. Tighten your core while you lift, feel the squeeze. 6. Wood chopper. Twist. This rotational powerhouse mimics the motion of chopping wood. It engages deep oblique muscles, burns side fat, and strengthens your lower back. Start from the high corner and twist diagonally across your body to the opposite side. You can use a small dumbbell, or a book, or even a water bottle for resistance. Let me tell you a quick story. A woman named Amara, 39 years old, messaged me a month ago. She had 2 kids, a desk job, and had struggled with love handles for years. She didn't have time for the gym or crazy diets. I told her, just 7 minutes a day, 6 exercises for weeks. Today she messaged me again. Her waist is down 3 inches. She says she feels strong, sexy, and confident for the first time in years. That could be your story next. These aren't just exercises. They're your tools for transformation. No, you won't wake up tomorrow with a flat waist. But if you stay consistent with these exercises, clean up your meals, and drink water, you'll feel tighter, leaner, and more energized in 30 days. And the best part? You're not relying on gimmicks. You're doing this yourself naturally, powerfully. Subscribe now, share this with someone who needs motivation, and let's crush those love handles together.